Once upon a time, in a cosy patch of earth, lived a curious little seed named Pip. Unlike his sleepy brothers and sisters, Pip couldn't wait to sprout and explore the world above. Every day, Pip stretched his tiny neck, peeking through the soil. He longed to see the sunshine, feel the raindrops, and meet the creatures who danced on the leaves. "Oh, what wonders await?" Pip whispered to the wind. "Tell me, what's it like up there?" The wind, carrying the scent of flowers and the chirps of birds, replied, "Patience, little Pip. Your time will come." But first, days turned into weeks, and Pip steadily grew. He learned to drink sunshine, sip rainwater, and sway to the rhythm of the breeze. Soon, he wasn't just a seed anymore, but a proud little plant with bright green leaves. One sunny morning, Pip felt a strange tingling sensation. He pushed upwards with all his might and, poof, he broke through the soil, blinking in the warm sunlight. The world was even more amazing than Pip imagined. He saw buzzing bees, flitting butterflies, and towering trees that whispered secrets to the wind. Pip danced in the rain, sang with the birds, and stretched his branches towards the fluffy clouds. He marvelled at their ever-changing shapes, wondering where they came from. The Cloud Kingdom, a wise old ladybug landed on Pip's leaf. "That's where they come from, little one, a land of fluffy mountains and raindrop rivers." Pip's eyes widened. "Can I go there?" he asked, his voice trembling with excitement. "The Cloud Kingdom welcomes kind and curious hearts," the ladybug chuckled. "But you must be patient and learn the language of the wind." From that day on, Pip paid close attention to the wind. He learned its whispers, its sighs, and its playful gusts. He discovered how the wind carried seeds, danced with leaves, and even helped clouds form. As Pip grew taller and stronger, he understood the wind's language more and more. He learned about different types of clouds, their journeys across the sky, and the important role they played in bringing rain. The dream comes true one windy evening. A gentle breeze lifted Pip's leaf off the ground. He held on tight, his heart pounding with excitement. Higher and higher they soared until Pip had reached the Cloud Kingdom. He bounced on fluffy mountains, splashed in raindrop rivers, and even helped nudge a little cloud along its journey. Pip spent a magical day exploring the Cloud Kingdom, making new friends and learning even more about the world. As the sun began to set, Pip knew it was time to return home. He waved goodbye to his new friends and hopped back onto his leaf, carried by the gentle breeze. Pip landed softly in his garden, feeling grateful for his adventure. He shared his stories with his friends, inspiring them to learn and explore the world around them. And so Pip continued to grow, his curiosity guiding him on new adventures. He knew that with patience, learning, and a kind heart, even the most amazing dreams could come true. Remember, just like Pip, you too have the power to explore, learn, and wonder. So, keep your eyes open,